Also breaking at this hour, WTOC has confirmed Alex Murdaugh. He is a suspect in the murder of his wife and son. An attorney for Murdaugh says a grand jury is expected to hear evidence in the case later this week. Our Max Deeknight has been following this case. And Max, what have you learned today?
Yeah, Mike, this is huge news. Alex Murdaugh's attorney, Jim Griffin, tells us they expect the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division, SLED, to present murder charges against Alex Murdaugh for killing his wife and son, Maggie and Paul Murdaugh. That happened last summer. Griffin says official told Maggie and Paul's family members this morning that this case will now go before a grand jury. Griffin says under the South Carolina state constitution, victims' families have a right to be informed about criminal charges before they go public. He says law enforcement still has not confirmed these new charges to him and that the Attorney General's office told him they do not have anything to report yet. Griffin says he plans to seek a bond hearing as soon as the charges come down. SLED did release this statement. They tell us, quote, SLED's investigation into the murders of Maggie and Paul Murdaugh is still active and ongoing. Agents are committed to the integrity of the investigation, thus no additional information from SLED will be provided at this time. It has been over a year since Paul and Maggie Murdaugh were found shot to death on their Colleton County property. SLED has led this investigation. No one has been arrested or charged yet for those murders. WTOC has been following several cases connected to Alex and other members of the Murdaugh family. You can see some of those on your screen right now. By the way, WTOC's Lowcountry reporter Tyler Mannion is following this case closely. He will be live in Hampton County with a report coming up at 6 o'clock, Mike.
All right, Max Deeknight reporting. Thank you, Max.